Coming up in center circle, the quiet assassin striker Kemal Malcolm having a purple patch in front of goal. Another season for Malines United, but survival comes at a cost. And GIS Under 19 competition breaking new ground. Deadly in front of goal, but unassuming off the field. That striker Kemal Tull Malcolm of Arnett Gardens. Being around Malcolm, you don't get the feeling it's the same person who antagonizes defenders on a weekly basis in the Red Star Premier League. But the striker says that's simply the type of person he is.
Well, I'm a calm, easygoing person. Nothing do much bother me. I'm a bit laid back. I like to be by myself. That helped me to relax more, try to focus on my game. When I'm not playing, I'm home playing video games. Sometimes I sit back, try to relax and reflect on my game, how I can improve, how I can get better in any particular area in my game.
And Malcolm is always looking for ways to improve himself. And that's why he's always looking for the latest footage of his game.
That's the only way you can get better in a game. When you look back on the mistakes you make, when you could have make a better decision, get a cleaner touch, make a better pass, shoot. Yeah, so stuff like that. When you look back at a game, it helps you go forward better.
Malcolm even reflects through games, especially if he missed what was an easy chance to score.
At that time, a lot of things go through it, what could I have done? I should have looked before a kick. I could have get a better control. In the game, the adrenaline rush is extreme, so you have a limited amount of time to think and what to do.
With 12 goals to date, Malcolm is having his best season.
Honestly, I'll pay this down to I'm fit. Most seasons, people don't realize that I'm always injured. So this season I'm injury free. As you can see, I'm playing more. I always tell people that once I get playing time, I will score goals. And getting playing time and fit, that's what is working for me right now. I never yet work on my speed. It's just something that comes natural. And when you have speed and you're fit, that is a plus for you, for your game. Because my game is a running game. So once I'm fit and I'm injury free, I can do good things. When I started this season, my aim was to get as much goal as possible. First, I tell myself that I need to get fit as soon as possible, stay injury free, and once I'm fit and injury free, I know I can do damage. My aim was always to get in the double figures, but we have more games to play, so obviously I have in my head that I need to score at least 5-6 more goals. Scoring goals is one of the greatest feelings as a player. When you do something that you love and scoring goal is one of the most important things on the field. And when you can do that at any given time, and to make a team win a game, there's nothing much better than that.
But it's a far cry from the number of goals that were scored in previous seasons, with Kevin Lamy and Rowan Nelson at their best.
If you check back then, you have most of those players' names that I call just now are very quality players. But I think one of the main issues is the fields. We don't really have quality fields. So I think that's one of the main thing. And right now I think we have good quality goal scorers in the league. I just think one of the main issues is to stay consistent. It's not an easy thing to do in Jamaican Premier League, but once you focus and you're playing week in, week out, I think you will do well. But as I said before, consistency is the main issue with players right now, including myself.
Malcolm also dismissed talks of him touring with dancehall artists and not taking previous seasons seriously.
No, that's never the case. That's never the case. People always say a lot of things, but they don't really know what the real thing is. During the summer, when I'm on break, that's mostly when I travel. in season. I never travel in season before. I'm not a musician. I'm close friend to a musician, so automatically I'm gonna be around musician. Like music is not me, but as I said before, I affiliated with two artists, so eventually I'm gonna be around the music.
He has now made his first Reggae Boy squad, which played against Bermuda on Wednesday, but he says he's not affected by being overlooked before.
No, I never yet focusing on getting a national call-up. I always try to focus on doing well for my club. Once you do well for your club, there is a possibility that you can be in the national team. So focusing on the national team is not what I try to do. I've never yet frowned or feel any type of way. That just gives me the urge to work harder, try to score more goals, try to work on my game. That's the main thing. I never feel any way. I just try to go out there each match day to score goals and try to impress the coaching staff. Basically, I take this as a trial because, as you know, I'm not a regular in the setup. So my aim is to just go and grab this opportunity with both hands like there's not going to be another one. That's my main thing, just to go out there and try to enjoy the football, try to impress the coaching staff. As a youngster growing up, my aim is to always play professional football somewhere overseas, and that is still in my thoughts. As I said before, all I need to do is to continue doing what I do best, score goals, even to get assists, just to stay on top of my game. And you never know what can happen. You never know who is in the stand watching you on a given day. So I never have any doubt that it's not going to happen. All I try to do is stay positive and try to stay on top of my game and know that opportunity will arrive.
With Arnett Gardens fighting for a top 6 spot, Malcolm says the death of assistant coach Irvina English is added motivation for them to do well.
It's sad, but I mean, this is a big motivation for us to go out there and try to get this done for the coach, because, as you know, he's very passionate about his football. He's very serious. He likes to win. So I know he's watching of us. He wants us to win. So our aim is just to go out there and try to get the job done for him. At this moment, it's dog eat dogs. If we want to be in the top 6, I think we have like 5 games to go. Our aim is just to get as much victories as we can out of these 5 games. We know it's not going to be easy. As I said before, everyone wants to be in the top 6, but we have this in our hands, so only we can help ourselves by just winning games. It's a joy. Winning is a joy. So, as winning a championship again at Arnett Garden, this one will mean a lot to me because of Irvina English. To all my fans and well-wishers, all I can say is a big thank you to you all, because if it wasn't for you guys always urge me and try to motivate me to go out there and do my best. I mean, it's not the end of the road. I still want to impress you guys and to make you guys feel well. And you never stop here. Never stop here. I always want to score goals, and my aim is just to help my team to win this championship, to make the community of Arnett Garden and the fans proud.
When we return, 6 is indeed real for Malines United, and changing of the guard in the Gissa Under-19 competition.